Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, back with another video today. In today's video, yes, it's the speaker challenge between the G7 ThinQ, my Galaxy S9 Plus, and the iPhone 10. Let's see who takes this battle, who takes this challenge. But before I get this video started, check this out. Okay everyone, like I said in the beginning of the video, yes, I'm doing a speaker challenge between the new kid on the block, the G7 ThinQ, my Galaxy S9 Plus, and then the iPhone 10. The G7 ThinQ has that new technology they call them boombox speakers, so when you place it on the ground, it's supposed to sound louder than when you're holding it. This whole thing vibrates. It has a really good sound, but I want to see if it can compare to my S9 Plus with the dual speakers. Yes, one in the earpiece, one bottom facing speaker there. Then same thing with the iPhone 10. The iPhone 10 sounds really good too. Speaker down there and then also one in the earpiece. All I'm going to do is play non-copyrighted music. We can make a final decision at the end of the video. And then we can see which one is the best sounding speaker for a cell phone. Can the G7 ThinQ beat these two? Let's find out really quick. I'm going to start with the G7 with the new kid on the block. I'm going to show y'all the difference too.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know. Is this what we become? The strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place we only can just be alone.
Alright, so that was the G7. What do y'all think about it? Next will be the Galaxy S9 Plus.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place we only can just be alone.
Alright, so that was the S9 Plus. That one sounded pretty good too. Let's see if I can bring it up for the iPhone 10. Alright, same song for the iPhone 10.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place we only can just be alone.
Alright, so that was the iPhone 10. Which one y'all thought sounded better with this song? I'm going to do something different I normally don't do. So I'm going to play them all quick. Let's see.
Under your spotlight,
G7 ThinQ.
under your spotlight.
S9 Plus. iPhone 10.
Under your spotlight.
Alright, so which one won that battle? Y'all let me know in the comments. I'm going to just play another song really quick. This is the G7 ThinQ. Again, I'm going to demonstrate. Y'all can see where it gets louder. Alright, so that was the G7 ThinQ. Let's do the same song on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Alright, so that was the S9 Plus. Let's try the iPhone 10. Same song. Okay, that was the iPhone 10. I'm going to put them all back really quick. Here we go. Let's do this quick. So the G7 ThinQ. The S9 Plus. And then the iPhone 10. Alright, so this has been fun. Y'all let me know which one y'all thought sounded the best, which one was the clearest, and then which one was the loudest. The G7 ThinQ, the Galaxy S9 Plus, or the iPhone 10. Leave your comments in the section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Stay tuned to the channel for more coverage on the G7 ThinQ. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.